Hi folks, Russell Wright from themezoom.com, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek again of domainwebstudio.com, the joint venture between ThemeZoom and our friend Matt DeCruz. Domain Web Studio allows for a step-by-step integrated market-swallowing on-page, off-page SEO, SEM, project management, and content management system that has never been seen anywhere before. It's, again, a fantasy of mine to have this working so that every one of you can organize your projects. For those who are visual learners and visual project managers, you're going to be completely blown away. I've been working on this, wanting something like this to get built for the last 2 years, and it's required a lot of strategy to come up with the step-by-step to allow the layman to organize projects in this fashion. And thanks to Matt and Sue, we now have that coming. When you first log into your Domain Web Studio, you're going to see your home, your clusters, manage team, tasks, team collaboration, account, and login. Since we don't have a ton of time right now, I'm just going to leave that to your imagination. We're going to be going over each piece step by step. This is just a sneak peek. Kraken and the last keyword tool. You click on Kraken, and of course, it'll take you right to your Kraken login area, and you can put in your username and password. The last keyword tool as well. You can just click the last keyword tool, and we use the last keyword tool for something slightly different. Okay, and you're going to learn about that, mostly long tails and other things. Okay, you can create a new cluster, you have your home. I'm not going to get into too many details because honestly, I'm still learning the system. Here's a little map that Matt created. Active projects for ThemeZoom LLC. If you click that, it'll open your project 1 out of 0. I haven't started any project in this account. And then you've got this interesting map. I got to tell you, Matt is a fantastic creator of processes, and Sue has been helping him with some of these processes. So as you can imagine, it's pretty exciting stuff. I'm going to go ahead and open a larger version of this and make it larger so we can get into the details. Okay, so what you're looking at here essentially is a basic process map that shows how you really can be doing multi-million-dollar projects and large projects for clients or for your own markets. The way we have it laid out is that you can create the cluster, okay, and you'll do the cluster creation in Kraken. You'll add a project. The project then goes into the market discovery phase. There's a lot of features in the market discovery phase that Matt has created and that Sue is working with Matt on, and I've thrown my 2 cents in there as well. Some of these market discovery systems are newer than the ones that you are familiar with out there. You haven't seen some of these out there yet. Then you move right into managing your silos. You go into managing your articles, and you manage your long tail keywords. This all kind of happens at the same time in tandem, and we'll give you step-by-steps how to do that. Then you're going to create your DNA braid for each one of these particular types of keywords so that all the shingles are overlapping. Then you're going to create your promotional blueprint, and you're going to instruct your team what to do. And when you instruct your team, that's what DWS comes in with the shining colors. Because you really need to be, this arrow, I don't know if you can see it comes around, develop your team, development team, okay, your network team, your content team, your SEO team, your syndication team, your backlinking team, and your analytic team. Now, if you're only a one-man show, you can remove the word team and say your development phase, your network phase, your content phase, your SEO phase, your syndication phase, your backlinking phase, or your analytic phase. Now, what's interesting when Matt created this, when you start looking at how much there really is to do, like this is stuff that I know kind of inside and out, so I know the processes of doing that. But when you really look at it and lay it out, how much there really is to do, it's quite interesting, isn't it? Now you can understand why as a one-man show you're kind of frustrated. So you really should start to look at outsourcing and crowdsourcing to generate faster content authority and organizational skills. And we're going to show you, just by virtue of using this app, Domain Web Studio, you're going to learn a lot about how to be more effective, regardless of the size of your SEO agency or the size of your firm. Over the next few days, we'll be showing you some more items here and there with some other blog posts thrown in. But I want you to get excited about this project because this is really going to be something that, if an SEO firm has got this system, they're going to be really hard to beat. And so we're giving it all we can to develop this. You should be seeing this probably in the next 30 days, at least the beta prototype. We'll let you know on a day-by-day basis what's going on with our development team. Russell Wright from themezoom.com. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.